There's some blood, and I'm just talking about my blood, Mom. And there's some blood in the stairs I gotta clean up. Got most of it, I think. Ah, looks like I almost stained the wood. There's some blood, Mom. You missed some. Thanks, Mom.
Sorry,
Good thing I was wearing safety glasses.
Sorry.
It's okay. Your butt hit me in the head. Home Depot, where you can get your supplies to bandage yourself up. We've got your extra strength. We've got your strong. We've got your maximum bond. Got your gel. Not for your hair though. And your all-purpose. I think we'll take the all-purpose. Shoppers Drug Mart. Bandaid. I'll also choose one. I'll take the Econo pack. So I've got all my supplies. Crazy glue, band-aids, polysporin, duct tape. A Band-Aid a man can work with.